Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in today's lecture we will discuss the second law and third law of logarithm. I hope you will give attention to these laws. Second law, prove log m by n base a is equal to log m base a minus log n base a. It means if two values are divided each other and we take their logarithm, then logarithm will change this division into difference. So start our proof. Log m by n base a is equal to log m base a minus log n base a. Some steps are same as we use in first law of motion, first law of logarithm. So let log m base a is equal to x and log n base a is equal to y. Its exponential form is m is equal to a power x and its exponential form is n is equal to a power y. From 1 and 2, as m and n are divided in the given law, so we have to divide these two equations. So by dividing first equation to second, we get m by n is equal to a power x by a power y. So m by n is equal to a power x minus y. Log m by n base a is equal to x minus y, as this is its logarithmic form. So put the value of x and y, we get log m by n base a is equal to log m base a minus log n base a, which is our proof. So we are able to prove that if two values are divided to each other and by taking logarithm, they will differ to each other by taking logarithm. Third law of logarithm, prove log m power n base a is equal to n log m base a. It means if we take any power or we have any number which have any power and we have to take logarithm, then power will be at the first stage or in front of logarithm. So we have to prove. Solution is log m power n base a is equal to n log m base a, which is the third law of logarithm. So let log m base a is equal to x. So its exponential form is m is equal to a power x, taking power n on both sides. As in third law, we have power of m is n. That's why we have to take power n on both sides. So finally we get m power n is equal to a power x power n. Power of power, in this case these two power will multiply to each other. So finally we get m power n is equal to a power nx. Its logarithmic form is log m base a is equal to nx. By putting the value of x, we get log m power n base a is equal to n log m base a. Students, I hope you will understand these two laws of logarithm. आगे बढ़ते जाओ, पढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं. दिस इज़ द स्लोगन ऑफ नेटिव. अल्लाह हाफिज़.